Oh my gosh.
It's looking like bread. I don't care, I have bread. Of course, as you know, I love cooking with pie irons, but they're not great for everything, like baking. I saw some folks using their mess kits as ovens, and I happen to have an underutilized one. Let's bake some bread. Well, we're gonna try. My idea is this. I have a Swedish mess kit that I've had for a while. And the way it works is this is a base that you can use with an alcohol burner or sticks and stuff, and then it's got risers in it to set your pot up. We're not going to use that. I'm just going to use the main pot part. And it's actually 3 parts, which is the top, which is like a fry pan. And then there's a little container inside. It's windy. And then the big bucket. My thought is this. Oven. It's going to be our oven. Now I could use this thing that fits in here, and then you shut the oven. Actually, it's going to be this way. Pan, and then shut the oven thus. But I brought a different pan. I happen to have a tiny little loaf pan, so I'll go with that because it's cute. So I'm going to try it. I hope it doesn't explode. I'm going to preheat the oven. I'll put it on this rack, which is why I'm not using the little stand that comes with it. So this is going to provide plenty of heat from the bottom. The trick is going to be applying heat to the top. I wanted to get some coals out from the bottom and lay them on top, but there aren't any, so I am just going to build a little fire right on top. While the oven's preheating, let's make some bread. It is morning time after all, so we're gonna go in a I used this beer bread recipe because I thought it would be easy to put together in the field. But I think it would work with any sort of quick bread like cornbread or banana bread. To make things even easier, you could just use a box mix that you add water to, or even make your batter or dough at home. 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. It's looking like bread. Look at that. A little ashy. I'm gonna give it a little bit longer. Okay, another 10 minutes later, so it's been 25 minutes. Let's see what we have going on here. I had to put a bigger coal up there because the wind kept blowing it away. Let's see. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, I think that might be done. Get out of here. Look, it's bread. Oh my gosh, okay, I don't have any place to set it down. Poor planning. Let me get something to put it on. And we'll see if it's done. All right, now I actually have something to set it on. Let's see how it goes. And I have a skewer left from fondue time. I think, ooh, I think it's done. There we go. One little scorch mark, but overall, not too shabby. I loaf it a lot. This must be the burnt side. Oh, yep, that's the burnt side. It's pretty good looking. Strawberry jam in that. Oh. Yeah, all right. Cheers. It's raining again. I don't care, I have bread. Now, if you don't want to deal with balancing coals on this rounded side, you could just use it vertically like this. And then, since it's a weird shape, you'd have to use aluminum foil as your dough pan so you can lift it out. And then, you can use this to hold your coals on top, like that. So you got coals, you got your dough in here, and then you just put the whole thing on the fire, and this is your oven. So that's another way we can do it. So what should I try and bake in here next? What do you think? Muffins? Biscuits? Pizza? I'm up to ideas, so post them and let me know what I should bake.